Hello, all you viceaholics and toolologists out there. Today I will be rebuilding the small little 3-inch Desmond Simplex bench vise number 300, made in Urbana, Ohio. And as you can see, I've totally stripped it down to bare metal and I painted it teal. It's a very nice bright gloss teal, and I used a gold paint pen for the lettering. So I don't know. Let's try to steady this. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the static jaw, rebuild it with the parts here. It comes with a long handle that, with an E-clip, fits into the groove here. And you'll see as I build it. However, the purpose of the E-clip is to carry along the jaw as you unscrew the handle. Without the E-clip, all you're doing is taking out the handle, and the jaw is going to stay in place, and you would have to manually pull the jaw out, which is very annoying if you're working and you're trying to do stuff. So that's why they put the E-clip on there. So let's get started. Take my E-clip, get my mallet, and my cheapy freight screwdriver, and pound this into place, into the groove. Actually, I might be able to just push this one in. Or not. Let's give it a good old whack. There, it's in there. Next, I take my grease, spread a little gob all on the screw. To ensure a smooth movement of the jaw. Next, I'll take the body, put it on the base, mount the base, and then I put the jaw onto the body. Now, this company went out of business in 1960, so this vise is most likely from at least between the 40s and 50s, maybe late 50s. As you can see, the old square-headed bolts that assemble this vise kind of tell the tale of how old it is. So next, I take the other bolt, put it in this hole, and then I will attach the handle, the swivel handle, or the swivel screw, whatever you want to call it. But that is what allows the vise to swivel. Now this vise, unlike many others, actually has a very deep groove in the body, and that is to allow clearance for the swivel handle body. Most vices I deal with don't have as deep of a area for that. However, this one does, which can make it slightly difficult upon reassembly. Next, all we do is just put the jaw onto the body, give it a few cranks, it'll catch, and then I will demonstrate the opening and closing motion of this vise. Now it also does have a nice small flat anvil area here with the hole for, I forgot what those pieces are called, but the jeweler's piece. It usually was a wedge, so this was like a small vise for hobbyists, jewelers, things of that nature. Nice light duty vise. Now I will show you some of the details after I clean off my fingerprints. Alright, nice mirror polish on the jaws. Gold paint pen for the lettering. Mirror polish. This vise weighs about maybe between 8 and 10 pounds. It's very light. Nice and small and compact. So that's it for this vise video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check me out on eBay, Galaxy 279. This vise, along with many others, available for sale. Thank you.